So hello guys, welcome back to Frames of Life, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to edit without any professional editing software. So you can just edit on your phone. Okay, so this is completely like any place you go and you need to edit it ASAP. So you can use this setting, you don't need to download any apps, nothing, just your phone provides this setting. Okay, so let's get started. So now for today, my demo class, I'll be showing this photo. So he is basically my cinematographer. He also has his own channel. I'll be showing that at the end of my video. So here there's this edit option. As you can see here, there's an edit option. Click on that. Then there is adjust. And please don't go on filters because this is ready-made thing that they have given, and this doesn't work well with the photo. Trust me, it doesn't work. So just go to adjust. Here you'll get okay, and here you'll get this. Okay, so this is what we can adjust, the brightness. Here you can see it is changing. Then here there is again brightness. Then there's contrast, which adds more depth to your image. Then there's saturation, where it gives emphasizes to the colors. You can see it getting more vibrant color. Then there's exposure. Okay, you want to make it dull or bright. Then there's highlights. Okay, this will help to further enhance your image. And shadows, this also works like contrast only. It adds depth to the image. And this is color temperature. So this you can see it, it's like a white balance. Here it goes blue and here it goes golden. So to balance it, somewhere in the middle. And there's tone. See, the whole color is changing again. It got bluish. And there's sharpness. Here it will go blur. As you go higher, the sharpness will keep increasing. And you can see the flowers in the shirt is getting more attention. And there's brilliance. Okay. Then the last is this. This is basically not used unless you want to show a video that is taken in 19th century and older version of video photos. So then this will be used. Okay, that is also there, and it can be also used in flashback when you're showing people going in flashback. Then you can here compare both the photos. So yeah, this is the original photo, this is the edited one. Okay, then you have to save it. Then you can add text, and you can retouch, and there is the option of blur also. This is also again a useful option. It looks very good, but mostly people won't prefer this because it again blurs out major of the elements. Actually, in photography, every element that is seen in the screen is important. So blurring out will make no sense. So thank you guys for watching my today's video, and I hope you all liked it, and I hope you all understood that any high class softwares are not actually needed for photography editing, and this just your one setting of the phone can replace everything. But if you want to go further in editing, then there is Lightroom software, which I'll be teaching later in my class. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also I would be liking to promote another channel which is called Noel Alva. He is my cinematographer and also he is a singer. He sings retro songs and a lot of recent songs as well. His channel link is given right over here, so please go and subscribe his channel, and also please make sure to like, share, comment, and thank you guys for sticking with me. Till then, see you all in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.